The Burning Secret. Recently, Little Shark has been reading a recipe as he would like to cook for his family. Cooking is considered as frying, boiling, steaming, or stewing, and each and every step needs heat. In Little Shark's kitchen, the cooker, microwave, oven, and other appliances can help to heat the food. In addition to using electrical appliances, of course, people cannot have heat without fire. The earliest history of humans using fire could date back to the Paleolithic age. Asians say that it was Xu Ren, one of the 3 emperors, who taught our Chinese ancestors to make fire by drilling wood. Westerners say that the great Prometheus sacrificed himself to steal the fire for the benefit of mankind. Humans can use fire to keep warm, to make food, and to drive the beast away. So, what is fire? Here we have to mention the science of creating new materials, chemistry. In fact, fire is a chemical phenomenon in which the substance would give off light and heat in the combustion process. So let's think about it. Under what conditions could combustion happen? First of all, it needs combustible objects such as wood, coal, natural gas, etc. Secondly, there must be enough oxygen. Of course, there is also a relatively high temperature. Each combustible object requires a different temperature, which is called their ignition point. Let Little Shark give you an example. A candle is lit. At this time, it is the wax that is actually burning. At a high temperature, wax and the oxygen produce a chemical reaction. The oxygenium of oxygen and the carbon and hydrogen in the wax would bind together. It produces carbon dioxide and water vapor and also gives off light and heat. That is the fire we see. As the fire can be ignited, of course it can also be extinguished. For example, we can lower the temperature using water. When the temperature drops below the ignition point, the fire will not burn. Or we can use a fire extinguisher. The sprayed foam can isolate the air effectively. We can also take away the combustibles. There is an idiom of removing the firewood from under the cauldron, which is its literal meaning. Finally, Little Shark would like to remind you guys that playing with fire is a very dangerous thing. You must ask your parents to help when there is a need to use fire.